Hi, in this part of the lecture, we'll try to understand what is machine learning by comparing it to what is not machine learning. So machine learning is when a computer learns patterns from data and improves its performance without being explicitly programmed for every task. We'll see some examples quickly. On the contrary, there are programs that follow explicit instructions or rules written by a human without adapting or learning from data. And again, we'll see some examples. So let's first look at some examples which are not machine learning. One popular example is the calculator app that we all use. So we want to do some addition, okay? So x plus y. So these are strict mathematical rules. So we don't have anything to learn rather than just follow certain instructions. Another example is your digital alarm clock, okay? You need to get out early in the morning at 6 a.m. You just set up the clock. Then we have static websites, your microwave timers. These are examples of not machine learning tasks because they follow certain rules or regulations. On the contrary, one popular example of machine learning task is email spam filter, right? And most of the email service providers, they have this particular agent embedded in their solution. The algorithm actually learns by looking at a lot of examples of spam and not spam emails. Another example is the movie recommender system, and then the voice assistants for example Siri or Alexa. So they learn the speech patterns, okay? They can understand your voice and someone else's voice as well, right? Then we have more complex examples like self-driving cars. They learn how to detect pedestrians, road signs, and respond to different traffic scenarios. Input data coming from different sensors like cameras or radars. Okay, so these are examples of machine learning tasks. And then comes the conversational AI agents like ChatGPT. We'll be learning about the main model behind these complex engineering solutions. So they learn from massive amount of text data, and then they improve over time by taking into consideration human feedback. Okay, so these are some examples of machine learning tasks. So again, machine learning is when a computer learns patterns from data and improves its performance without being explicitly programmed for every task. So let's do a little bit check. Where is our understanding? So what was the average daytime temperature in Grand Rapids in August 2024? Is it an ML problem? Let's think a little bit. Perhaps not. Okay, why? Because this information is already known. It is a past event. So if we store this piece of data somewhere in the database, we can just query. So we don't need to learn this. Now, what will be the average daytime temperature in Grand Rapids in August 2026? So we're talking about future, right? And this information is unknown, okay, and involves a lot of uncertainty. So this is a perfect example of a machine learning problem.